is completely about the Savannah haul. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Savannah and it took a lot of time to get deliver all the outfits. So here's the video. These are the bunch of stuff which I have ordered from Savannah. I'll show you each one of it and you'll love it, trust me. This is a gorgeous dress. So this is the dress. It has this beautiful printed floral design on top of balloon hands. And this is a tie-on dress. You have to tie it at your waist so it stays. And it has a V-neck at the front. Amazing, but the only thing which I do not like is the fabric. I thought of returning it just because of the fabric, but the fit and the detail and the hands are everything, and I'm not going to return this at all. I would give this a solid 8 on 10. I think it's pant. Oh no, this is a dress. This is a alternate dress. Beautiful flowers on top of it. And it has this beautiful tassels at the bottom which I love. And the fabric is something like this. It's little sheer. If you do not like such fabrics, you can skip this, but it's a beautiful dress. I love the fit and I'm not going to return it anyhow. You can tell by the smile on my face that I love it. It's a normal top, very normal casual top. This is the top. And it has a golden buckle on top of it. And it also has this thing. And the fabric is netted fabric. It's medium stretchable. I love it. I'm not gonna return this at all. So this time this is a bottom. It's a flared jeans in light blue color. And it has this thing in the bottom which I hate. It's a normal jeans. Everyone has one in their wardrobe. And guess what? I too have the same jeans in my wardrobe and I didn't even realize it until my mom pointed it out. And I have the same jeans in the same color, in the same pattern, except for this. But I forgot it ever existed, so I bought a new one. I'm going to return this. But the fit is awesome. So this is another beautiful top. This also has the same fabric of this dress. See? This is what I'm telling you. It's rough. You won't be able to wear this for a long time. I love the fit. I just don't like the fabric. This is also one of my favorites. అన్ని ఫేవరెట్స్ అంటూ ఉంటుంది ఏంటి అనుకుంటున్నారేమో, కానీ నేను ఆర్డర్ చేసినవన్నీ నాకు నచ్చినవే చేసుకున్నాను. సో అన్నీ నాకు ఇష్టమే. I'm telling you the truth. Ante. This is a mermaid skirt and it's very flexible and comfortable. And it has this shape. The fabric is something like this. It's rough on the outside and smooth on the inside. The transparency is a lot higher. I mean, on the scale of 10, the transparency is 8. So be aware of that. And I would like to give this solid 9 on 10. And the one mark is out just because of the transparency tags. So this is a denim top, which is very flexible by the way. And it has long sleeves. The fit is awesome. Great, but the only lack is for me is this is little too deep for me. So, and I'm not going to be comfortable wearing this. So that is the only reason I'm given this. Or else this is a solid 10 on 10 top. And this is my all-time favorite top in this haul. You might think what is there in this top and all, but trust me. And the one thing which I love is it is snatched over here around the waist, and it has this flare at the bottom which is so cute. There's this cute little hand, feels great, looks great, and it's silky and it's very comfortable on the skin. Trust me, guys. Trust me, girls. Just go get it. I just love it. I love it. And it's elastic, by the way. So even if I become fat, this will fit me. It's a solid 100 by 10. And this is the winner of the haul. Acha, this is also one of the bottom. It's black flayed bottom. Fabric is this. It's soft and it's not see-through at all. So it's a win-win, guys. And I would give this 8 on 10. This is one of the prettiest dresses which every girl should own, and you'll thank me later if you buy it, okay? So this is jet black dress. Beautiful dress. This is how the sleeves look. It has a corset kind of structure on the front, and it has a long flare. And you can wear this multiple ways. I mean, it can be a western dress. It can be a traditional dress. If you put on a corset on top, it will be some modern kind of dress. You can pair it with anything and it will look good. Trust me on that. I'll give this a solid 1000 by 10. So yes, I love this dress. Okay. The last thing which I'm going to show you is something different, which I have never tried before, and this is something new to me. And it's very similar to my nail color, so that is the only reason which I bought this, so I can start something from the basic,